Everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Casey. Hey, I've got a quick show to you. Someone brought me in a BMAX B1 Pro, and it's not powering on. They paid $99 for it and was working for a while. If you know anything about it, it's very, very basic PC, not with a lot of storage. It is expandable, but unfortunately, right now it's not turning on. So let me show you what I did to fix it. And don't forget, please give us a like, a share, and subscribe. And check out our t-shirt store. I'll be right back. Now, there have been many reviews on the BMAX. It's a basic computer for $99. Doesn't have a lot of power. And we'll go over some of those things in a second. But the problem that he's having right now is that when he turns it on, he has it plugged in, check the outlet. We had power at the outlet, but it's not getting anything. So I did check his power supply, and I have put a meter across it in the two leads. And the way you check them is you look at the plug itself and put your meter lead here and meter lead here, and you should get around 12 volts. He was getting nothing. So it looks like that's about going to be as simple as a fix. So I ordered one. I'm going to leave you the link on Amazon where you can find it. But let's just look at this unit. It's a basic, very basic N400 system. And it basically has an earplug, connection for the internet. It has built-in Wi-Fi. It has HDMI. It can only handle one monitor at a time. It has two USB 2.0 slots. It has a USB 3.0 slots. Very, very simple. Very lightweight PC, and I opened it up, and basically it doesn't even have a cooling fan. It's like, wait, but it does come with a bracket, and it's basically like something if you wanted to, put it on the back of a monitor and use it, either if you're using it for a company to basically to go into the directory, or basically you can use this at home, basically to use it to search for Chrome, watch watch the internet, but it doesn't have a lot of power for gaming. Let me show you. Let's test it. Let me plug this in and see if it turns on. In addition, if you want to add more hard drive space, as you know, the V1 Pro only comes with 128 gigabytes. You can add up to 1 terabyte by removing the small door on the bottom, and rather easily, you're going to add a drive in here. You have to remove the screw, pop it in place, and then reinsert the screw. Let me do that real quick. And once you've done so, you just put the screw back in here, then put the cover back on. So it was interesting for this one because as you can see, it was just basically the power supply that failed. I don't know what caused the power supply to fail. The customer had lost his warranty information, so they weren't able to contact the company and have a warranty done. But we were able to order another power supply for about $12. No major big deal. And while I was here, I added a 512K addition to the RAM to it. He was basically using it to surf the web. But for fun, since we had it here, I figured, let me find out, if it's any good. So I loaded a word processor on it. It loads up pretty quick, no problems. I set it to store on the second drive. And then just for fun, I used the Chrome, and I was able to watch a lot of YouTube movies on it without no issue. This is a quick review of the product, by the way, if I didn't say so. And then just for fun, okay, since I have the customer's machine in here, I loaded OBS, open broadcasting software, and I plugged a webcam on it, and I actually recorded a video just on the second hard drive, and you know what? It performed well. It did not give me any issues. Obviously, I wouldn't try to load any video editing software on there because I don't think it'll be able to handle it. But for the price of the machine, if you're looking for something basic, that to use at home or in an office where you just need to be typing or surf the web, this is a nice little machine. Anyway, this is your Grandpa's Casey. That's my opinion on the BMAX B1 Pro. with Windows 11 preloading. And I show you how to fix it and add the memory. Anyway, check out my other videos. Don't forget to give us a like, share, and subscribe. I hope this has been helpful for you. Don't forget to give us a comment whether this was useful for you, and anything else that you'd like to have us do for you. Until next time, this is your Grandpa Casey out. You have a blessed day.